Hey, I'm Bona. Welcome to Orosity, an online learning space built for Oromo communities and learners worldwide. We're connecting language, culture, and modern skills in one place.
I'm Keti. Orosity isn't only Afan Oromo classes. There's digital literacy, creative tools, and practical AI basics. It's designed for diaspora schedules. Learn anytime, anywhere.
What I love is the pathway. Start with language, then build confidence with technology, email, design, productivity. Then step into AI responsibly. You're not learning alone. You're joining a community.
And we'll keep expanding. New modules, mentors, and projects. If you've been waiting for a place that feels like home and prepares you for the future, this is it. To be continued.